Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y52 5G, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts section. And as you can see here, we've got also the Google section, and of course you can add or remove an account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it and simply tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Oh, okay. Now let's tap on next, and right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to, of course using the Google section, or from this level just by tapping on the account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you will have, for example, the password or PIN, then your device will require you to enter it to confirm, and as you can see, our account has been immediately deleted. So actually this is it. This is how to manage, so how to add or remove a Google account from your VIVO Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.